I replaced the valve cartridge here in the kitchen sink. Didn't know exactly which brand this was. Thought it was Delta, but when I got to go into the part supply places to find the cartridge, this is the original here, and nothing seemed to match exactly until I found a part supply place that gave me this Price Pfister cartridge, and it was a 46-4250, and it exactly matched the original and works just fine. There's no drips anymore out of the kitchen sink. Faucet's running good now and closes completely with no drips. The part replacement only cost $13.50, so that worked out real well. Tools required for this faucet repair were a 5/64" hex key wrench and a pair of channel lock pliers.